For the record, this is our 9 of 10 schools that we are putting armor glass security film on these windows and the entrances to avoid someone getting in who doesn't need to be in. That's what armor glass does. So therefore, by armoring their glass, these schools will have protection, not only from a potential shooter, but actually from hurricanes, tornadoes, hail. The solar heat, as you can see, is really coming in. This is the before picture. And I'll be back after we have put on some armor glass security film. Over now. In part one, we showed you what it looked like without armor glass, just plain old glass. Now, the first two levels you're going to look at have armor glass protection. Now, the top two do not. Can you see the difference between the glare reduction and at the same time, that is cutting 80% of the solar heat from coming inside this building. Therefore, 80% less heat you have to air condition. Look at the glare above the film and look how nice it looks below the film. That is the difference. So this level is protected from impact by a brick, by flying debris during a hurricane, tornado, someone trying to get through. They ain't coming through. The blue tape will go away. This is what we're going to be setting up our anchoring agent, which I will show you momentarily. And here it is by the door. Again, what looks like a black part of the gasket is actually a special structural sealant, acts as an anchor to hold the film to the frame, so that upon impact into this door by someone out there, the glass will break, the film will hold the glass together, and the bonding, that black streak there that you can barely make out because we try to match the frame color so it doesn't really stand out, that's the anchor. That's what's holding it all into the frame. They can pound on it, they can shoot through it. They're not going to enter this building.